Hey developers, welcome to RV CodeTalks, a new destination to master full stack development step by step. Here I will teach you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, React.js, and databases like MySQL and MongoDB, along with one programming language as Python, all in an easy beginner friendly way. We won't just learn theory, we will build real world projects to showcase your skills, boost your resume, and help you stand out in interviews. Along the way, you will also get top interview questions, coding challenges, and practical tips to prepare for developer jobs. Whether you are aiming to become a full stack developer, switching careers, or just level up your coding game, this is the place for you. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon because in the upcoming videos we are starting our coding journey from scratch and building it all the way to development. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.